See the moment Davido went haywire and stormed out of a nightclub in Ghana as he was bounced with his crew. Davido has gone ballistic at the popular nightclub in Ghana where he is spending his weekend with the DMW gang. The film crooner clearly has a misunderstanding with the workers of one of the most popular nightclubs in Accra, Bloom Bar, over the denial of entry for DMW crew members. Davido headed out of the club and bragged that he could buy 10 times the whole nightclub if they continue to act silly to him. However, just minutes after being bounced at Bloom Bar, Davido partied hard with Stonebwoy and King Promise in another nightclub in Ghana. The Nigerian award-winning singer Davido is having a time of his life in Ghana as he is buzzing all over the place having fun. Davido and his crew member were kicked out of Bloom Bar last night in Ghana, so he stormed out of the place and headed to another nightclub owned by Ghanaian rapper D-Black. Davido linked up with Stonebwoy and King Promise at On Club. It was all lit in the club as they jammed to Stonebwoy's new song. Enjoy it. Meanwhile, V and Tolani Baj continue their beef, as V reveals that Tolani Baj has blocked her on Instagram. Evicted Big Brother Naija housemate V has given reason she will not be friends with Tolani Baj outside the house. V, who was one of the finalists, had considered Tolani as sister in the house but had a disagreement with her over a revelation that Tolani Baj liked her love interest Neo. Recall that Erica had revealed that Tolani Baj was interested in Neo. This caused tension in the house as V said she was disappointed that Tolani Baj would want to steal a man. However, after her eviction, V told Ebuka that she is willing to apologize to Tolani Baj for what she said about the issue. She had blamed miscommunication for her rift with Tolani Baj. But speaking today, V, when asked who she might not have a friendship with outside the house, she said in all honesty, it would most likely be Tolani Baj. V, during a media round, said, "I feel like with everybody in general, I would be civil irrespective of who likes me or not. If someone ever comes up and we have to work together, I'm going to have to do it. So it is best for us to be civil. One thing I have always stood by is I don't know how to force friendship. That is why I only had limited friends in the house. I don't like to force things. Judging from how the whole situation had gone from the house and things I have heard and seen, I do not think a friendship with Tolani Baj will work. So yes, we will be civil," she said.